guys? My name is Bowser Jr. And number 2. Yeah. Meta Knight, Tails Miles Prowler, Jamie Rose, and Sonic the Hedgehog. And don't forget me, Foxy too. And today we're gonna react. We're gonna react to who is purple, guys. So that is our main question in our heads. So far, we just saw the creepiest purple. Just the mini games. But don't worry, you probably we can watch a nice, cool, ridiculous video. Okay, after this, I'm stressing you, I'm watching you. Okay, we can stay into this. Bah!
Ashton used to be an employee at Circus Baby's Pizza World.
Employee? Duh, we didn't play the first game.
He specifically designed them to kill children, but why he did that, I don't exactly know yet. So,
maybe because he wants to get revenge on them? That's my answer.
Between all the knights of the game.
Or maybe he's just going to kill the kids just for fun. Okay then. Here's a Fredbear plushie! Right there! Right here! I see a Fredbear plushie. You can't click on the nose on baby! What was that? That was Bonnet. Bonnet?
Shut down.
Bonnet?
Gas leaks, which was not true. It was because of
what?
murder. And Circus Baby's Pizza World wasn't very long.
Is this like the third Final Fantasy game you have to shut down before it starts opening again? Stupid.
However,
I think I know it's from some of the videos. You have to click on Fredbear's nose and he makes sounds like Freddy did in the first game.
Well, in my opinion, his father was the one that owned Circus Baby's Pizza World, and also
he did?
Fredbear.
Yeah, what do you think?
I also believe that his father died at some point. But if that's the case, then how was William able to talk to him? Well, that was set. So, in between the events of Circus Baby's Pizza World getting shut down and the events of Sister Location, William Afton changes his name to Mike Schmidt, or he completely changes his identity, or he just uses that name as an alias. And then he goes to apply for a job at Circus Baby's Entertainment and Rentals once his father tells him where his daughter is and where the establishment is. And then after that, the events of Sister Location take place. Mike goes to Circus Baby's Entertainment and Rentals, finds his daughter, and goes along with her plan. But now, let's take a deeper look at Mike Schmidt's life and, in fact, his family. Now, who is Mike Schmidt's father? Now, I'm going to drop a big bombshell on you guys right now as to who I think his father is. Mike Schmidt's father is the Fredbear plushie.
Wait, what? Wait, what? I don't get it. I don't get it either. What the heck? I didn't know Fredbear was the father. That's ridiculous.
Fredbear plushie in FNAF 4.
Oh yeah, it's true.
Back together. Now, who does he say this to? He says this to the child from FNAF 4. This shows that if this is true, the Fredbear plushie has some kind of connection with both Mike and this child. So that means that this child is William Afton, aka Mike Schmidt's son, as well as the bully brother.
See? I was right.
Son and the baby girl is his daughter.
I was right. I was right for the previous
house. There is a female bedroom.
Actually, in the first game, and in the fourth game.
Mike's father to be the Fredbear plushie because his father told him to put baby back together and how to do it. The only character that we've seen in the series so far that said anything about putting things back together is the Fredbear plushie. So the Fredbear plushie, aka Mike's father, must have told him how to do so, where the establishment is, and where to find baby. Now, the house that we see in the FNAF 4 minigames, I believe that was originally Mike's father's house, and he grew up in that house. Then when his father died, he owned the house, and he raised his children there. Oh, and also after the father died, he possessed his grandson's Fredbear plushie, and decided to
stop jumping. You can't. Stop, please.
This also makes sense because there's no way Mike Schmidt's father would still be alive by the time of Final Fantasy 3. The only way he would still be around is if he died and possessed some kind of character or animatronic, just like the children did. So yeah, guys, that's my general idea.
Golden Freddy suit? I'm just saying a Golden Freddy suit. The Golden Freddy suit. That's probably not somebody.
Their father is the Fredbear plushie, and they are going to go find him in the next Five Nights at Freddy's game. There's also one thing left for me to do. I'm going to find you. His father is the last family member that he needs to make peace with. He needs to find where his father's been all these years and basically make peace with him or do something to him. I don't really know what he wants to do, but he at least wants to find his father. His father is the Fredbear Bear plushie. The two boys from FNAF 4 are his sons, and the baby girl is his daughter. That is my outlook. Now, a lot of people on Twitter were telling me that they think William Afton or Mike Schmidt is the brother from FNAF 4, the bully brother, and no, that can't be true. The reason being, because in Five Nights at Freddy's 4, you see Purple Guy working at Fredbear's, so obviously the brother was there at the same time, so they can't be the same person, you know. So yeah, guys, that was the cutscene for the custom Nights and Sister location, and my ideas and theories that I came up with after seeing them. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know in the comments below, do you agree with me? Do you guys have different opinions? Do you guys have completely different ideas? If you do, I want to hear them. And yeah, this whole thing has got me super hyped. And yeah, guys, like I said before, throughout all of this week, I'm going to be releasing custom night videos. I've already got some planned. There's going to be a Yendo plays, an Electrobab plays, Melora plays, Freddy plays, Foxy plays, all that kind of stuff. You guys are going to be seeing that over the next week or so, along with some other special things. Oh, and guys, before I go, I really want to plug my Facebook, Twitter, and Google Plus profiles. Links are in the description if you want to follow and like them, and if you do, I would really appreciate that, because I've never really promoted them on the channel before. Alright guys, so please give this video a thumbs up if you liked it. Please subscribe if it helps me out, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye everyone.
Bye.
Hey, go back into your hidey hole thing. I don't know what that is, but you should go back to it.
That's freaky hot. Roblox off! Holy crap on a stick!
I love that ending intro. It's cute. Anyway, what do you guys think about this video? This video got me thinking. Really. I think I quite enjoyed it. Well, after all, we did went to the Game Theorist channel. Yeah, sorry about that. Sorry on Game Theorist channel. If you say it was okay, it's alright with us. Yeah, and probably hopefully our next reaction video, we are going to finish. Wait, we got to finish the Sonic. What's it called? Sonic. I forgot. Freddy was here last time. It was supposed to be something like that. What do you think? Sonic Boom. Not Sonic Boom. It's Sonic Zombies Doom Shit the movie. We gotta finish that one after this next video coming out, which is we're gonna react to. Wait for it. Dude, just say it. ABL, Lego Dimensions, Sonic, Level Pack, Amy Rose and Rescue, and maybe it's it's gonna be hilarious, I'm not gonna lie. Okay, let's get to the main question. What do you guys think about our reaction videos? Put the comments below. What do you think? What reaction video should we do next? And which is we are gonna react to Anime Broby's video, and yeah, thank you for actually making this video. Amy Rose can rescue. It's gonna be funny. But either way, stay tuned for more. Okay, ready? All right. How do I add this? You guys got any ideas? Like the East Coast Blue video did, and the ending. Good thinking. All right, guys, enjoy this last one. Ready? Hold on 1 second.
So obviously the brother with me, you guys are different. Like I said before, an Electrobab plays along with some other stuff. Really appreciate that, because I've never really promoted them on this video. A thumbs up if you like.
Alright, ready?
Helps me out.
Stop!
See you guys next time. Bye everyone.